This video will show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on a Chrysler 300. This will be located behind your rear wheel. Let's get into it. Safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. We're going to remove the driver's side rear wheel. To do that, you'll find you have 5 21mm lug nuts, and let's get the wheel off of here. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a clear view of our rear sway bar link. We're going to start up along the top where the sway bar link connects to our sway bar. Let's start removing our hardware for the sway bar link. The bolt head is going to be a 15mm. On the opposite side, you'll have a 16mm mounting nut. A thorough inspection of all mounting hardware as we continue on. Down along the bottom, same hardware here. Our bolt comes through from the inboard side towards the outboard side. We'll make sure we're holding onto our sway bar link as we remove that final piece of hardware. Remove the sway bar link from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting surfaces. Let's start up along the top at the sway bar. Down to the bottom, same process here. Okay, it's time to install that brand new rear sway bar link. Let's get this in place. We're coming up along the top first with our hardware. As for that hardware, the shorter of the two bolts is for the upper portion, and the longer bolt is for the lower area. We'll leave that loose, continue on down. Longer bolt down here, as I mentioned. Should be able to flex things as necessary, slide that through. Both pieces of hardware are started in, snug them up, torque each of them to 45 foot-pounds. They're both started in, let's go ahead and snug them up. We'll be torquing each of these to 45 foot-pounds. One last quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our wheel. We'll start on all 5 of our 21mm lug nuts. We're going to get the wheel back on the ground. We'll torque each of these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds. Now I have the wheel back on the ground. We're going to torque these to 140 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of one side of our vehicle's rear sway bar links. The process for one side is the exact same thing as the other. After you've completed that, you want to take your vehicle for a road test and listen for any odd noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.